In this tutorial, I'll show you how to remove indicators in Tradingview so you can clean up your chart and focus better. Don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Tradingview and load your chart. You'll likely see different lines, bands, or signals on your chart. These are indicators added for analysis. Now, move your mouse over the chart area. Right-click anywhere on the chart. A menu will appear with multiple options. Look for the option that says Remove Indicator. If you have multiple indicators, you may see something like Remove Indicators. Click on it to instantly clear them from your chart. Your chart will now look cleaner and easier to read. Another quick method is at the top of your chart. You'll see indicator names listed there. Click the small X icon next to any indicator. This removes that specific indicator instantly. You can repeat this to remove only the ones you don't need. This helps you keep only the most important tools visible. A clean chart improves focus and decision making. And don't worry, you can always add indicators again anytime. That's it. You've successfully learned how to remove indicators in Tradingview. Subscribe for more Tradingview tips and tutorials.